Today I wanted to show you a really simple home facial that's both clean and affordable to really encourage a smoother, more hydrated, and brighter skin. I'm starting off with the Surfglow Super Milk, and I'm working this into Joanne's skin as her first cleanse. And what this one's going to do is really help emulsify any excess oil, sebum, or even dirt on the skin and help me lift it quite gently. I always follow up with the second cleanse, and for Joanne's sensitive and dehydrated skin, I'm going in with the fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is a gel texture cleanser to work into the skin just to pick up any residue from the previous product. This way, whatever I apply next is going to soak in more effectively. Now that we've rinsed off our second cleanse, we can finally move on to actually treating the skin. I'm going in with the Surfglow Dew Star, which is a biological exfoliator. This has some beautiful pumpkin enzymes, as well as some vitamin C in a baby food texture. I'm spreading this across Joanne's face and avoiding the eye area as well as the lips. This is going to scavenge across the top of her skin for any dead cells, as well as soak in to really brighten, lighten, and tighten the surface of her skin. I love going in with these cooling gua sha stones. These are mushroom rose quartz gua shas, and this is just going to distract her skin from the tingle of the exfoliant. I'm going in with the Surfglow No Bunnies mask. It goes on as a gel cream, and once you've warmed it up and really massaged it into the skin, it turns into a serum. This is going to calm her skin with a little bit of Vaseline, as well as really rehydrate it. Once I've melted this product down, I really take advantage of the consistency. It provides me a lot of slip, and this is a great time to perform any form of facial massage on yourself. And we're doing a little bit of a pressure point release around her eyes and sinuses. Now this is the only professional part of the facial. I'm going in with the Skin Accents Ultra Calm Rubberized mask, and what this is going to do is form a little bit of a barrier. I love using this mask on Joanne because she's quite sensitive and reactive. This provides her skin a nice cool cocoon to really calm down any inflammation. To give me that base layer of hydration, I'm going to go in with the Surfglow Cactus Toner. I'm going to go in with the Dermalogica Biolumin-C Eye Serum. I am obsessed with this serum. It works for every skin type and most under eye concerns. It's also nice and light and non-fragrant, so her sensitive skin really thrives with this formula. And I'm just using a little gua sha stone just to push it across her eye. And to lock all of this hard work in, I'm going to go in with my fresh Lotus Dream Cream. It's a beautiful cream just for calming the skin down. And lastly, I'm going to go in with my gua sha stone and do a little bit of lymphatic drainage, always making sure to bring it down the neck so that it can be eliminated by the body.